Coming to you from the innovative, immersive Hyundai Virtual Next Weather Sphere. This is Next Weather.
And we are tracking more storms and heat for tomorrow. It's a next weather alert. Here's Bill.
Yeah, and there's still a lot of activity out there tonight, Uke, that we're keeping a close eye on. Here's what we have going on this evening when we look live from Camden toward Philly. The roads are wet. The air is really, really sticky, and it's still very warm outside. In fact, we're going to keep these temperatures in the mid to upper 70s all night long, then go right back to 80 degrees by 8 o'clock, and we are tracking showers and storms around the area. Let me show you that. I'm going to open up the door here. I want to put the radar on the floor as well as the warnings, and you may see a flash of lightning live here from the Hyundai Next Weather Sphere. So a couple things to point out. First of all, this cell, this is a loop over the last couple of hours. This one here is the one that had the severe, there's a flash, had the severe thunderstorm warning on it in Delaware. It's no longer warm, but it does have a lot of lightning on it. Some fairly light rain right now up and down Interstate 95. But we're watching back here to the west, where just recently until mid-12:15, this orange box is a severe thunderstorm warning that's going on in Lancaster County. And it's a really strong storm, a lot of lightning on it. The biggest feature that will bring us some impacts in terms of severe would be the gusty winds that would be potentially with that storm system. So let's talk about the overall big picture again. So we got this one down to the south that's not warned. It was at one time. But I'm focused in on this. I think the biggest threat with this system right here is the rainfall and the flash flooding. I mean, this thing is dumping rain right now, moving into Lancaster County, starting to see some of the impacts around Berks. In addition to that, all these lightning emblems are cloud-to-ground lightning strikes, and so I sampled this out. It's kind of hard to track it specifically because there are some storms developing ahead of it. But this will put it in Philadelphia in a few hours, about 2 o'clock in the morning or so. Trenton, same thing. We'll say Lower Providence closer at about 12:45, Middletown at 3 o'clock in the morning. So there's a good chance that you may get woken up in a couple of hours, depending on where you are, to the sound of thunder, the flash of lightning. The severe thunderstorm warning is here, and this is up until 12:15. But I also mentioned the flash flood warnings here in this region up until 2:45. If you know anybody that gets up early and travels or stays up late, driving 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, turn around, don't drown. There will likely be some flooded roads. Now, tomorrow, we're going to do it again into the afternoon. Look at the fresh data. 3 o'clock, things start bubbling. We get into your evening drive time. We're tracking a line of showers and storms with some gusty winds, frequent lightning, dumping rain, inches of rain in spots. So we are also at a risk for flash flooding in addition to the potential for some severe weather tomorrow. Then this will linger into early Wednesday morning before it tapers off. Today was a 1 out of 5 and continues to be a 1 out of 5 on the severe scale. Tomorrow is a 2 out of 5. And so that's a slight risk, meaning scattered severe storms are possible. So tomorrow your impacts again are going to be the flooding rain potential, the frequent lightning, and the gusty winds. Feels like temperatures tomorrow are going to go back up into the upper 90s. Then on Wednesday, a much improved day. Temperatures about 90 degrees when it's said and done. The great news here is, yeah, it's active tonight. Yes, it's active tomorrow afternoon and evening, 2 p.m., 3 p.m. through about 9 or 10 p.m. But after that, we dry out. And 4th of July at this point looking really nice with a temperature of 86, lots of sunshine, no weather impacts for your evening that night. We'll keep an eye on that. That's your weather forecast. Over.
Okay, Bill, thanks so much.